Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start with power basics. Don't skip them. First, plug the Solo 4 into a proven 5V/2A charger using the original USB-C cable and wait 5 to 10 minutes because depleted cells can take time to register. Once done, visually inspect the USB-C port for lint or bent pins. Use compressed air or a wooden toothpick gently. Next, make sure to perform a forced reboot. Press and hold the power button and volume down together for 10 to 15 seconds. This can clear a soft lock. Now you move into diagnosis. Observe the LED behavior carefully since steady, blinking, or color changes tell you charge or fault states. If there's no LED, swap to a different USB-C cable and charger and try a computer USB port to test the charging handshake. Cables and chargers fail more than phones. Once done, if you have basic skills and a multimeter, check battery contact voltages at the exposed pads, only if you are comfortable. If readings are absent or erratic, the battery or internal charging circuit likely needs repair. To finish, attempt software recovery. Connect the Solo 4 to the official Beats or Apple support tool and follow firmware recovery instructions if the device is recognized. Firmware corruption can stop startup. If charging works but it won't power on, replace the battery or USB-C port assembly using Solo 4 compatible parts and make sure solder joints are solid. If you reach this point and it remains dead, contact professional repair or warranty service. Troubleshooting tip: note LED and sound cues. These clues
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.